Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to rebuild the database on your PS5 Pro. So maybe you have an issue with your SSD or something like that, or maybe some of the game data is corrupt. What you want to do is press the PlayStation button, go on over to Power, and then go to Turn Off. It has to be turned off. You can't go to Rest Mode. So we're going to launch our PS5 into the Safe Mode menu. Plug in your controller with a USB cable just like this. Then wait for it to completely turn off. So wait for the light to stop blinking. And then we're going to hold down the power button for about 10 seconds. And it should launch it into the safe mode menu. So I can see the light stop blinking. I heard one beep initially. And then I'm waiting for the second beep. And it's going to take about 10 seconds like I said. And just continue to wait. There's the second beep. Now it's going to launch into the safe mode. Plug in the controller and then press the PlayStation button. Now we can go on down to option number 6, clear cache and rebuild database. Now you also have an option to repair the console storage for option number 3, but I'm going to go down to option number 6. Then what we can do is go to option 2, rebuild database. Alright, let's go to OK. And this may take several minutes to go ahead and do, depending on how much information you have on your PS5. So I have about 1 terabyte worth of data, so we'll see how fast this actually goes. So if you are having some sort of corrupted data issue or something like that, go ahead and just try this out. So it should bring me to a screen where it will give me an estimated amount of time now. And there's the PlayStation symbol. And most of the time it only takes about 3 to 4 minutes for me. And you can see rebuilding database. 4 minutes left right here. So I'm just going to set my controller to the side and maybe go get something to drink and I'll be back. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.